Hi students, happy day. I welcome you all for computer science class. So you all like computer, right? You all will play with the computer and do something. Okay. Now I would be doing some apart from playing. So you all also have to know what all is there inside the computer, what all computer is being used for, what are the operations of computer. That will also help you, right? Yes, I would be teaching you in my classes about the inside parts of computer and what all it is being used for. Okay. So now, today I'm going to teach you an interesting topic which is about understanding Windows. So here we would be seeing what is Windows and what are its features and how all we need to use, how we need to shut down the computers. Let's get into the lessons today. Now, in this lesson 2, Understanding Windows of Class 3, we would be learning outcome of this lesson. What would be learning at the end of this lesson? What all you will be knowing about it? What is Windows operating system and what are the other operations in MS Windows? MS means Microsoft. It is called as like icons, what are programs, how you can change a colorful screen, backgrounds, and what is a screensaver, and how to shut down a computer step by step, because shutting down computer is very important. You need to shut down your computer and also start a computer properly with a step by step procedure. So if you don't close the other windows and if you all keep the computer booting, there would be a problem. So I would be explaining that also in detail. Let's get into the topics today. Now, so you all must have known Windows. So I'll explain you what is Windows. Can you see down like a flag? There are four colors, four square colors. One with the top one with one red, green, blue, and yellow. This is the symbol of Windows. It's called as Microsoft Windows. Microsoft is the name of the company, and Windows is their product. Okay. And what is a Windows? So it is an operating system. What do you mean by operating system? Let me differentiate you with an example. So, what does your mother do for you every day? So, what all she does do? She is the person, your parents are the person who are at home and who are being responsible to manage the house, and they also take care their tough job for you and also manage your daily work of their house and everything. Same way, this Microsoft Windows, it's an operating system which makes a computer to manage what all is there inside the computer. So, in definition part, in computer technology, in term, we call Microsoft window, it's a rectangular frame that shows different programs on the screen. Screen is the one which you see, right? Which you see on the computer. Now let's go to the next one. So, when we on the computer, what do we see first? So, what we do, we switch on the computer, we on the on button and we open a computer. Yes, when we are opening, we can see, as you have learned one new thing. What is it? Windows, the Windows icon, right? The symbol. What will that do? That is the one which will come in the beginning when you on the system. It's called as a booting process. Yes. So till your computer is being on, that will show you. Okay. So the first picture, once your computer screen is being opened, that is called as a desktop picture. Now can you see a picture here on my screen which has been shared? A picture with the clouds. That is the first picture. That is the background picture which I would be teaching about that. So the first picture, once when your computer is being on, the first screen, what you see on the computer, what is it called as? Desktop. Can you see some beautiful boxes like label pictures around your screen? You know what all these called as? Icons, okay, or symbols. Okay, the picturized form is called as an icon. Say, can you see on your right hand the second picture where W, X, P, N, O, and something, what is that? Those are represent some software. It's a picture of the software and certain application is like how you use paint and all. No, there's symbol for that. Yeah. And can you see one yellow color box here? What is that? It's called as an folder. That's where you can create separately and you can put all your folders in what all you wanted to, you have done it and you want to save your work. That will be put inside that. It's called as a folder. Okay. Let's see the next. So the next step. So you all know the first part. Okay. Now we are going to see the lower part of the Windows, which is about the taskbar. Now, if you see the below screen, below, that is the down part, at most top, bottom part of your screen. Can you see like a bar? Like how you have a chocolate bar, is your Munch chocolate bar is like, how it is. It's a big long string, the same way. Can you see a big bar down? What is that called as? Taskbar. What is a task? Doing task. What all the task you do, it will all be stored down. That's why what is it called as? Taskbar. Now, in the taskbar, we are going to see there are two parts in it. Yes, the first part, when you see the screen on your left hand side, what is it called? A start button. What is start button used for? That is the button which helps you to show the list of operation which is all there in the computer and what all file you'll all be using for opening a file. That's called the start button. In that start button, right hand side, can you see a arrow or a red color box on my first picture? The end part of the taskbar, what is it called as? Notification part. Yes, what is notification? Notification means what? You are being informed as what all you're going to do, what all things is going to happen. You'll be notified, right? As a list. So that's called as a notification. Here in the computer, in the notification bar, right side, basically it shows you what is the time, what is the date, what all, whether your net collection has been on. So all the notification, it's all come inside the last part. Okay. So as I also told you, start button, or it is called as a menu. So when you go to an hotel, what do you see? Menu card. Why do we need a menu card? So you need to know what all list is available for eating. Yeah. Then you'll be decide. You can choose on your menu, and then only you can choose on your eating what you wanted to eat in that hotel. The same way, this is the list of menu. It opens what all is there inside your computer. Next step is about how you need to open a icon. You all know what is icon, I taught you, right? So how do we need to select it? Yes. Okay, students, you all know what is, you all know the computer mouse. Computer mouse also have two hands. What is it? Left button and right button. How we have two hands? The same way, mouse also have two hands, right? How do we select it? We all do the writing, eating and all the actions with your hands. The same way, this mouse also helps the computer, where the mouse button is represented by a small arrow. That is the one which goes, and you need to move it and go to the particular icon and click one time. And what will happen? Can you see a red color highlighted one on my picture which I showed? That means now which has been highlighted, selected, picture has been selected. So when you wanted to see what it inside, you need to click one more time. So double click that particular icon or a folder to open it, do addition, save it, and you can do whatever you want by selecting it. Okay. Now deselection means what? Now what you have done, you have selected it. So all the selection, addition, or deletion, whatever you wanted to do, and that's it. You don't want to do anything. That is called as a deselection. Okay, where it goes to the original form. Okay, students. Thank you. We will see the remaining part in my next video. That is in video 2. Thank you, students, and have a great day.